Senior manager at the best palace, Baba Thoba. We've got a few questions for you. As far as Pendulela, and are you good with that?
I'm good. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. You will soon hear interesting news on this.
How many senses does a human being have?
How many?
Senses.
5.
Can you name them?
Hearing, touching, seeing, smelling. Yeah.
What's happening? Huh?
And how many sides does a rectangle have?
4 sides.
What's the plural for ox?
Plural.
Yeah.
Auxiliary. Is that the plural? Yeah. I think it's auxiliary. If I'm not mistaken.
And you are old enough as I speak.
Your older brother's father is what to you?
My older brother's father.
Yes.
Is what to you?
Older brother's father is my uncle.
Ah la la.
How many planets do we have?
Is it 9?
Back to Limpopo.
What is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly?
A duck.
Opened it.
A duck.
How many eggs make up a dozen?
12.
Yes. We call many cows a head of cows, many lions a pride of lions, many birds, flock of birds. What do we call a group of hyenas?
I don't know that one.
Gotcha.
Do you know the country New Zealand?
Yes, I do.
Which continent is it in?
It's in New Zealand is in Europe.
Do you want to go to heaven or you have given up?
How many countries are in Africa?
54.
And what is the only country in Africa that speaks Spanish?
Is it Morocco? Might be Morocco.
I can't believe this.
How many months have 29 days?
It's 11 months.
Yes. Look at it.
What is the biggest ocean in the world?
I'm gonna go with Pacific Ocean.
What is the opposite of the word sorry?
Opposite for sorry. That's a good question. Sorry.
You know,
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
No, I'm not sorry.
what is the longest river in South Africa?
Is it the Vaal River? I think the Vaal River.
What does USB stand for?
USB. Skip.
In the Bible, what is the name of the man who betrayed Jesus Christ?
Judas Iscariot.
Next. Hey.
And according to the Bible again, Noah took 2 of each animal on the ark. But how many people did he take with him?
About 4 or 5.
Yes, say people will upset you, man.
Which country has the highest population in the world?
Country.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with India.
Easy.
What do you call 2 children born from the same mother at the same time?
Twins.
3 children.
Triplets.
4 children who are born from the same mother at the same time?
Quadruplets.
We are cruising nicely.
5 children who were born from the same mother at the same time?
Nah, I don't know.
Make you don't know nothing, man. You know what you are? EP, aka enemy of progress.
Doesn't happen.
Well, it happened with that Tembisa lady, so.
Jesus is Lord.
Can you spell the word accommodation?
ACCOMMODATION.
Yo. Ah.
When you were 10, your little sister was half your age. Now you are 29. How old is your sister?
My sister is 24.
How many sides does a hexagon have?
It has 6 sides.
What is an ambulance?
An ambulance is a vehicle that transports patients.
How does it sound? Who is the Minister of Education?
Bladenzy. Wait. Yeah, it should be Bladenzy London.
Please say silk 3 times. 1.
Silk.
Filk 3 times.
Filk.
Ilk 3 times.
Ilk.
What do cows drink?
What do what?
Cows drink
Milk. Think you're gonna catch me? You won't.
Chief, wait, you're losing the point.